How to connect Sony SRS XB21 Bluetooth speaker with an HP laptop that has a functioning Bluetooth adapter. So if your speaker looks like this, you are in the right video. And if you have an HP laptop, Windows 10 with a working Bluetooth adapter, you're in the right video. So we'll start off by going to the startup menu, which is located to your bottom left section here. Then you'll click on the gear icon that says settings. And as you click on that one time, a window will open up like that. And then you'll see where it says devices. So you're going to click on where it says devices. Click on that one time, and then you'll be taken to a window or a section that looks just like this. Now, if you have the on and off switch, that means your Bluetooth adapter is working. So go ahead and turn that on by clicking on it one time. Next up, you're going to go ahead and click to where it says add Bluetooth or other devices. That's right above the Bluetooth switch. You'll click on that one time. A black window will open up like this, and you'll select the first option that says Bluetooth. As you click on that, basically what's going to happen, your computer is going to start searching for nearby Bluetooth capable devices. So with that said and done, now we are going to go over to our Sony speaker. Make sure your Sony speaker is off, and the reason is to get it into pairing mode, you're going to long press the power button until you hear a double beep sound. So while it is off, go ahead and hold down the power button and don't let go until you hear a double toot toot sound. All right? Yes, I just made that with my mouth. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll hold it down and don't let go until you hear it. You'll also notice the rapid blinking blue light, just like that. Once you see that, it means the speaker is now in a pairing state or pairing mode, and then it should show up on your computer because it's still searching for nearby devices. You'll see SRS XB21. Just click on it one time. It will run the pairing process for you, and you'll also hear a tone sound coming out of your speaker when it is fully connected. And in some cases, to the bottom right of your screen, you'll see something that says, we are setting up your device. Just wait for it to say your device is ready to use. And then now you can check where it says audio. You'll see where it has the speaker name and it's under the audio section. And on top of that, if you click on the volume icon right here to the bottom right, and you click on where the name is, you will see about 2 or 3 different other settings you can choose from, which you can toggle between your computer speakers or have the speaker set as a mic or just use the speaker as a speaker to stream audio. Other than that, if this guide was helpful, do like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new to my channel, and thanks for watching.